So today in this video we're in Chiang Mai. We're about to try a very special dish called Khao Soi. We had to try this here because it's a northern Thai dish, and Chiang Mai is known for having some of the best Khao Soi in the whole country. It's supposedly the capital of serving very delicious Khao Soi. Everywhere and everyone that I've asked in this city has appointed me to this one restaurant. It's having the best Khao Soi in the city. It's called Khao Soi Mae Sai. No disrespect to other establishments, I'm sure all the ones in Chiang Mai have very delicious and unique Khao Soi, but we decided to particularly try this one because it's been personally recommended to me by a lot of locals and friends. So we're about to go and see how it tastes. So here we have it. They brought out all of our bowls. We ordered 5, which is all of the noodles that they offered. They're around 30 to 40 baht each. But yeah, most importantly, we're going to try the Khao Soi and the Thai boat noodles. I just really like Thai boat noodles, one of my favorite Thai dishes. We're about to see how they taste. So here we have the main dish of this establishment, the king, the Khao Soi bowl. In this bowl, there includes some flat sheet egg noodles, topped with some crispy wonton noodle crisp with some herbs on top, lathered in a curry-based broth with some chilies, spices, and coconut milk. It looks delicious, and we're about to slurp it all up. I'm about to try these noodles. They're basically curry with some mee noodles, thick mee noodles, wonton crisp, and a chicken leg. It smells really good. See how it tastes. The meat just falls off the bone. Noodles are nice and thick. To go. So we just finished the Khao Soi, demolished it, their specialty, but couldn't help but try more since it was so good. But yeah, we're gonna get the Thai boat noodle next, which is it's not their specialty here, but it's a Thai specialty. So we'll see how they do with that one. So here we have it. Every Thai place makes their Thai boat noodles a bit different, but this one looks pretty simple. Just some rice noodles with some broth and beef brisket. So let's see. The meat is really tender. Pretty good. Can't forget to wash it down with some Thai tea, just 15 baht each. Alright, so just finished eating. This is the restaurant right here. I'll zoom out a bit for you guys. Right here. It was really the business. All of that food, I got 2 bowls of Thai tea with 100 baht, roughly $3-ish. But yeah, best meal I've had in Chiang Mai. So quick recap on that meal. The Khao Soi is definitely their specialty. It was really good. The broth was really flavorful. The curry wasn't too heavy, and the meat just felt right off the bone. I could tell why everyone raves about this place. But the beef noodle soup was pretty good, definitely above what I'm used to in America, but you could tell it's not their specialty. The broth wasn't as flavorful, but the meat was pretty good and tender. But definitely recommend this place. It's really good. Khao Soi Mae Sai in Chiang Mai. Get it. So that's it for this episode of a food vlog at Khao Soi Mae Sai. See you guys in the next food vlog.